Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to crochet this amigurumi bee. So let's start the tutorial. We're going to start with a magic ring. So we'll wrap the yarn around 2 fingers like this. Then insert your hook below the first loop, grab the second loop and pull it to this side and twist it. Then we'll take this out, yarn over and we'll make one chain. Into this ring we're going to make 6 single crochets. To make single crochet, we'll insert our hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So here is our first single crochet. Like this we're going to make total 6 single crochets. After making 6 single crochets, we'll pull the tail and close the ring. Now we'll start our second round. We are not going to slip stitch. For the next round we're going to make 2 single crochets into each of the stitch. So here is my first stitch. Into this I am going to make 2 single crochets. And we'll mark our first stitch. Into the next stitch make 2 single crochets. Like this we'll complete the round. For the third round we're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. So into the first stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. We'll mark the stitch and into the next stitch we're going to make 2 single crochets. Then again into the next stitch we'll make 1 single crochet and into the next one we'll make 2 single crochets. Like this we'll complete the round. For fourth round we're going to make 2 single crochets and 1 increase. So into the first stitch I'll make 1 single crochet. We'll mark the stitch. Into the next stitch we'll make 1 single crochet and into the next one we'll make 2 single crochets. So we'll repeat this: 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and then into the next stitch 2 single crochets. For round 5 we are going to make 3 single crochets and 1 increase. This is the second one and third single crochet, and into the next one we're going to make 2 single crochets. So we are going to repeat this. For round 6 and round 7 we are going to place 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. So our stitch counts will remain same, that is 30 stitches. So I'm going to start round 6, 1 single crochet, mark the stitch and we'll continue making 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. I'm done with round 6. Now we'll start round 7. We'll put 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. After round 7 we're going to change our color. So for that we'll cut the yarn. We'll use the yarning needle and remove the marker. We're going to skip this stitch which we marked and we'll insert the needle into this stitch. So I'll insert the needle there and we'll pull the yarn like this. Then we'll insert our yarning needle from the middle of this stitch like this, and then we'll hide in the loose end. Then insert your hook into any of the stitch. We'll take the white yarn and we'll place it like this, yarn over and we'll pull through that stitch, yarn over and make one chain. So we have attached now this yarn. Now into that same stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, and with this color we're going to make 2 more rounds. So we'll make round 8 and round 9 in this color and we'll make 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. I'm done with my round 8. We'll start round 9 and in this round we'll place 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. So our stitch count will remain same, that is 30 stitches. This is my first stitch, so we'll start here. We'll mark the stitch. We'll place one single crochet into each of the stitch. After completing round 9, we're again going to switch color to yellow. So we'll cut the yarn. And then we'll hide in the loose end. Then insert your hook into any of the stitch. Place the yarn like this. Yarn over, pull through it and make one chain. And then with this color we're going to make 2 rounds. So we'll make round 10 and round 11, and we're going to place one single crochet into each of the stitch. So I'll make 2 rounds with this color. So after round 11, I'm again going to switch to white color. Again we'll switch to white color. Now with this color we'll make 2 rounds. So with white color we'll make round 12 and round 13, and we're going to put one single crochet into each of the stitch. So our stitch count will remain same, that is 30 stitches for both the rounds. After round 13, we are again going to switch to the yellow yarn. So before starting the next round, we're going to add wings and face. To make wings, I'm going to use the white yarn. We're going to start with a magic ring. Into the ring, I'm going to make 6 single crochets. Then we'll pull the tail and close the ring and start the next round. For second round, we're going to make 2 single crochet into each of the stitch. Now for the third round, we're going to make 1 single crochet into each of the stitch. So we'll have 12 stitches at the end. After completing the round, we'll make slip stitch into the last stitch and then we'll cut the yarn. Now we'll attach wings to the body. And then we'll hide in all the loose ends. Now we'll take two strands and then we'll tie knots. And we'll cut the loose ends. Now we are going to add face. At the back we'll tie few knots. And then we'll cut the loose end. For the next round we are going to switch to yellow color. With this color we are going to make two rounds, round 14 and round 15. We'll place one single crochet into each of the stitch. For round 16 we are going to make 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. So this is first one, second and third. Now we'll make decrease. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all of them. We are going to repeat the same pattern for the whole round. And here I am ending round 16 with a decrease. For round 17 we are going to make 2 single crochets and then 1 decrease. For round 18 we are going to make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Then we're going to fill in the stuffing. For round 19 we're going to make decreases only. Once we're done with this round, we'll insert our hook into the next stitch and make a slip stitch, and then we'll cut the yarn. Then we're going to close the gap between the stitches. And then we'll hide in that loose end. We're done with this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching the video.